save you.
Barack Obama?
No, stealing it's me bad.
So, welcome to McDonald's. I'm gonna buy some unhealthy, healthy food. Sure. I'll get the gun. And that's how I got into jail.
Okay then, let's get you out of here. Okay. Well, that was easy.
I'm free!
No, Nick, be quiet. Be quiet. Don't let them hear you. Don't let them hear you. Nick, look. There's guns. Yes. Oh, nice. Stay behind. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. I never knew it would be this easy to get away from jail. Freedom. Let's escape around the side. Okay. Let's get out here. Oh, it's locked. We're gonna have to find a different way around.
Crap! Maybe we should try and shoot the lock.
Uh-oh. Nice thinking, Nick. This looks a little weird for a police office or jail. Get down.
My feet are cold.
I think that's enough walking for today. You agree?
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a hotel.
Oh, yes!
Hotel looks awesome. Let's blow it up.